You catch yourself doing it again. Water hits your face in the shower, or your head sinks into the pillow at night, or you stare blankly through the bus window on your daily commute. In an instant, reality dissolves. Your mind transports you elsewhere completely. You are locked in a heated conversation that never actually took place. You are dismantling an argument from 3 years ago, finally landing the knockout line. You are practicing a speech for an audience that does not exist. You are stepping into an alternate life where everything unfolds exactly as you scripted it. Then reality snaps back like a rubber band. That familiar feeling washes over you, a strange cocktail of relief that you returned and disappointment that it ended. For those few seconds, the fabricated world inside your head felt more vivid, more satisfying, more real than the one you inhabit. Let us be clear from the start. This is not mere daydreaming. Daydreaming is passive drifting. What you experience is active construction. Your brain is engineering elaborate simulations, complete with dialogue, emotions, and outcomes. And if this happens frequently, it is not random. Your neurology has specific drivers behind it. Driver 1. Reclaiming control in an uncontrollable world. Real-life interactions offer zero guarantees. People interrupt mid-sentence. They misinterpret your intent. They ghost without explanation. Outcomes hang in uncertainty. But inside your imagination, you hold the director's chair. Every line delivered lands perfectly. Every misunderstanding clears up instantly. Every confrontation ends in your victory. That absolute agency? It is intoxicating, particularly if your history includes feeling dismissed, undervalued, or invisible. Your psyche builds these scenes to restore power where life stripped it away. Psychologists term this counterfactual thinking, the mental process of generating alternate realities to explore what-if paths. Neuroimaging research reveals it engages core brain regions for learning from hypotheticals, refining future behaviors, and enhancing decision-making under uncertainty. Here is the counterintuitive truth that surprises most people. These mental movies sometimes serve a therapeutic role superior to suppression. They allow closure on unresolved tensions. Real events often end abruptly, leaving emotional threads dangling. Your mind picks them up, weaves perfect endings, and ties off the knots. Have you ever obsessively replayed a painful exchange long after it ended? Precisely. That compulsion is your brain seeking completion. Driver 2. Preemptive rehearsal for real-world performance. Consider a fighter pilot in a flight simulator. Hours logged, there are not avoidance, they sharpen reflexes for the cockpit. Your imagination functions identically. It stress tests scenarios, prototypes responses, anticipates pitfalls. Before a critical meeting, your mind runs 10 variations, surfacing the strongest play. This leverages the brain's default mode network, DMN, which activates during unfocused states to simulate futures, revisit pasts, and generate self-referential narratives. fMRI studies confirm DMN hyperactivity correlates with vivid, detailed mental simulations. Visualize that looming argument or triumph? Your neural simulator is in preparation overdrive, not idle fantasy. Driver 3. Constructing emotional safety nets reality lacks. External life bombards with chaos, betrayals, ambiguities, rejections without recourse. Inside, ironclad rules prevail, apologies materialize on cue, your value registers unmistakably, conflicts resolve justly. Your cognition architects a sanctuary for unvented feelings. Yet peril lurks. Over-reliance flips the tool into a bunker, substituting imagined triumphs for tangible progress. Driver 4. Metabolizing unresolved emotional residue. Not every simulation chases glory. Many circle ancient injuries, betrayals unavenged, apologies unforthcoming. Counterfactuals excel at this processing, but risk rumination traps, amplifying distress through endless replays while promising catharsis. That post-simulation calm? Your nervous system finally exhaled. Driver 5. Defaulting to internal reliability amid external volatility. Chronic letdowns erode outer-world faith. Mental dialogues accelerate flawlessly. Characters align intuitively. Narratives stay coherent. The divide expands. You gravitate to the invincible realm. Now, the practical pivot. Harness. Do not banish. Tactic 1. Externalize ruthlessly. Transcribe the scene verbatim. Vocalize it aloud. Expressive writing protocols demonstrate this discharges cognitive loops, granting neural completion. Tactic 2. Interrogate intent. Preparation, action-oriented, or protection. Avoidance shield. Discernment channels energy productively. Tactic 3. Impose boundaries. Allocate precisely 10 minutes. Reclaim presence thereafter. Demotes simulation from habitat to utility. Tactic 4. Somatic reconnection. Ground via feet pressure, breath cycles, proximal object enumeration. Reactivates task-positive networks, yanking from DMN dominance. Your simulations signal sophistication, not deficiency. They represent your brain proactively wrestling open loops. Prolonged residence in phantom dialogues? Commence excavation. What precisely does the inner architect safeguard? Reality beckons imperfect, unpredictable, alive. Claim it. Preparation or protection? Comment below. Subscribe for weekly dissections of the profound psychologies animating the quietly intense.